Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get XP in Blox Fruits. First, focus on completing quests from various non-player characters. These tasks are your primary source of experience points and will guide you through the game's progression. Always check your compass for directions to the next quest giver, ensuring you are tackling challenges suitable for your current level. Completing quests not only grants you significant experience, but also often rewards you with useful items, making your journey smoother. Next, an easy method is to efficiently grind enemies, or mobs, in areas appropriate for your level. Using fruits like Buddha or elemental types can greatly enhance your farming speed. Additionally, defeating bosses offers a substantial amount of experience points. Many players utilize a server hopping strategy, where they defeat a boss, switch servers, and then defeat the same boss again to maximize their experience gains. This can be a very fast way to level up. To truly accelerate your progress, make sure to use experience boosters. These can often be found through active codes, which can grant you 2 times experience for 20 minutes or even longer, sometimes adding up to 3 or 4 hours. You can also purchase boosters with Robux for a consistent advantage. Furthermore, selecting the right Blox fruit, such as the Buddha fruit for its defense and attack range, or the light fruit for its speed, will make grinding much easier. Finally, optimizing your character's stats is crucial. Focus on putting points into melee and defense to increase your damage and survivability, making grinding more efficient. Always ensure you are in a level-appropriate area. Fighting enemies too weak or too strong will slow your progress. By combining quests, boss fights, experience boosters, and smart stat allocation, you will reach higher levels in Blox Fruits with remarkable speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.